Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Armrests Bifrost inverted reverse golf umbrella. 10 ribs, traveling, falling, light, wide, compact, portable, backpack, outdoor umbrella for sun, against sun protection. And of course, against the rain, for rain protection. And it's 99 UV protection, UPF 50. It's an automatic open and automatic close system. A man and woman Carabiner handle design. And it's on the market available in black, in blue, in gray, in green, and in off-white. We have here the new award-winning handle design. This adopts unique creative buckle design. This design's not only won many awards, but also it has a technical patent. We can easily hang it on our handbag, backpack, belt, or on the bus and subway armrest easily. We can also hang on the wall, hook easily when we get home, for example. It's a really cool feature beyond this, I think, because it looks really cool, really smart, of course. And the 49-inch large umbrella comes with a cover of the range of 106 centimeters in diameters. Being able to accommodate 2 people at the same time. This is the perfect companion for outdoor activities, camping, tourism, fishing, golf, hiking, commuting, and of course for school. This size is almost the ultimate of folding umbrellas. It has a compact but a portable, but also protects us and our friends and family in all aspects. And the new inverted design means Armrests Bifrost new travel umbrella adopts an inverted design. Inside-out design, it is different from the original automatic umbrella, which keeps the wet outside surface inside and prevents water from dropping downwards, thus keeping the floor and cars dry when it's closed. This brings us a great convenience when we get in and out of the car, for example. And we have double protection, featuring a Teflon-coated canopy. This umbrella repels water effectively. This allows for a quick re-dry experience and minimize the hassle of storage after use. With this UV protection umbrella's Teflon coating, we effectively block 99 UV parasol outdoor sun. It shields us from harmful rays during both sunny and overcast days. No matter the weather, be prepared. Add it to our travel essentials list, of course. With one-handed press of a button, this umbrella will be automatically open and close in a second. We do not have to struggle with the closing our umbrella when getting into the car or building our tent. Now, with this umbrella, no more waiting for our umbrella to open or close while we get soaked by the rain. And on top, we have a reflective stripe design. And because of this, it's safer. The umbrella, upgraded windproof inverted umbrella, is surrounded by reflecting stripes, which offers a 360 degrees high visibility. The reflective stripes delivers high visibility during low light and rainy conditions to alert cars and vehicles for extra safety in low visibility conditions. Essential for children, kids, pedestrians, and commuters. We will be safer when working in the dark and at the rain time. This is possible with this Armrests Bifrost inverted reverse golf umbrella with 10 ribs for traveling. It was an automatic folding option. That means we push the button and it will ready for use. We push again and it comes back to the position. And then we need it. The only thing we have to push it together like like a shotgun a little bit. So, and then it is ready for use again for the next rain, for example, or for the next day with a lot of sunlight. Really cool thing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun sun.